Today I'm making some hard shell cookies. Let's see the ingredients. Vanilla, egg, butter, sugar, flour, salt, baking powder. Now let's start. First we put the baking powder into the flour. We put salt into the flour. Give the mix. Now let's put butter into the bowl. Let's put the sugar into the bowl. Now let's mix it. Let's put the vanilla in the bowl. Let's crack the egg. Put egg into the bowl. Let's mix it. Put the flour into the bowl. Give the mix. Put the dough into the Ziploc. Chill it for 1 hour. Now let's roll out the dough. Let's put it in the freezer for 15 minutes. I'm going to cut out the cookies. Hard. Let's bake it for 6 minutes. I'm going to put it in the oven. So hot. So my cookies are ready. Delicious. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody!